family around the world, welcome back to my channel, Team B. For today, I'm going to prepare a furikake recipe, a Japanese rice seasoning. You can also use it for your baked sushi. So all you need is sesame and canned tuna, drained, and roast seaweed or sushi nori. Okay, let's start. In low heat, prepare your pan. We are going to roast the sesame first. Again, it depends how much you want. So this is like 2 to 3 tablespoons only. So if you want to add more, I just want to use it for one cooking. We just need to roast it. Done. Our next is our nori, but I have to cut it. Kapag crispy na siya, just do this. So, I just cut it roughly, and then kapag crispy na, mas madali siyang crumble. Okay. From this, we're done. Second ingredients of our furikake. So what we're going to do here is we're going just to make it a plate. Low heat and just dry it up. Dry na siya. Wait a little bit more. Talagang dry na siya. At this point, na parang flakes na siya. So we have to add, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So, i-dry lang natin ulit siya. Yan. You have to dry it para maging flakes. And just keep on stirring kasi baka masunog yung ilalim. Kapag na-notice mo na dry na siya, okay na siya. And we're done. There you have it. So, we have our furikake recipe. Bye!